Happy Valentine's Day, guys. Today we're doing some easy Valentine nails. So here I have some Dollar Tree nail finds that I've found throughout the years. This is probably like 2 years. Follow me on Instagram. You'll see a lot more nail pictures on there. But people are always asking me, how do I apply my Dollar Tree find nails? So here is a video of how I apply them. I do have an older video that's probably about 2 years old. I'll go ahead and link that for you guys as well. Check that out. But this is just a quick, easy application of the Dollar Tree nails and $1 Valentine Day nails. So what I use is this alcohol. Everything is from the Dollar Tree. I like this one because it has a spray. It's a spray bottle. This is the glue that I use that everyone asks me is the super glue 2-pack that I find in Dollar Tree, and it's usually like in the tool section. So I also have this cuticle remover from Dollar Tree as well, and some cotton balls. This is the Assured brand. And of course you're going to need some nails. These are the ones I chose for Valentine's, which I thought would be perfect, and a nail filer. So first what you want to do is just go ahead and push your cuticles back, just like I'm doing here on all your nails. So the nails will last you, I would say, between 4 to 7 days, depending. Some nails are different than others. I don't know why, but that's just how they are. Some are like a little bit stronger than other nails. But if you do all these steps, they should last you between 4 to 7 days, which is great for $1, you know. So, but one tip is to always carry some glue in your purse in case you do have a pop off. So the next step is just to use the cuticle end and remove all your cuticles. I'm removing a lot of like dry glue from the previous nails. As you see, I still have some glue on the top of my nails, so it's best to use a nail filer and just scrape down on top of your nails, just like so. I'm getting off that old nail glue that's there, but also you want to do this so that the glue has a good surface to stick to. So now I'm taking that alcohol and sprayed it onto the cotton ball, and you're just gonna rub your nails with that cotton ball to get any excess oil and all that dust off, to make that glue stick really well. So I know just from using the nails all the time which nails fit me, but you just want to go ahead and size out your nails with the press on nails to see which ones fit the best. And then the next step, I take the end of the nail just like I did there and just kind of push down on those cuticles still. I use 1 drop of glue, which is plenty. And then you want to kind of lean your nail up and take the end of the nail and push down into your cuticle, and then go ahead and press the nail down. Hold it for about 20 seconds and it will pretty much be dry. And then I also like to take the cotton ball that I was cleaning my nails with and just kind of wipe down the sides to take off any excess glue. And you're just going to do that with all your nails. Okay, so this step is optional, but I'm going to go ahead and cut off the very tips of these nails just a tiny bit. These are more like the almond shaped nails, so if you want like the coffin style, this is all you have to do. Just keep your nail cutter straight and cut off the very tiny bit of the tip there, and now you have the coffin style nails. Another tip I have is, if you want to make your nail design last longer, just use some clear top coat over the nails after you're done, and that will make the design and the color last a little bit longer as well. So I have this lotion from the Dollar Tree. It's a daily protectant lotion, and you just want to take any lotion and just kind of rub it into your cuticles, and there you go. You have these easy like 5-minute manicure. These are some beautiful nails for Valentine's, and it only cost you $1. No one would ever know. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give me that thumbs up. Share it with some of your friends. Leave me a comment. What do you think about these easy $1 nails from the Dollar Tree? Thanks for watching, guys. If you're new, please hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you really soon in the next video.